In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Reddit app on computer if you'd like quicker access to Reddit without opening it in a regular browser tab every time. Installing it as an app on your computer is a simple option. This gives you a more app-like experience, and the setup only takes a moment. To get started, go to your Reddit home dashboard in your web browser. Make sure you're already on the main Reddit page where you normally browse posts, communities, and your feed. Starting from the home dashboard is helpful because it confirms that the site is loaded properly and ready to be installed. Once you're there, move your attention to the address bar at the top of the browser window. In that area, you should see a small computer icon with an arrow on it. This is the install or download style icon that lets you turn a supported website into an app on your computer. Depending on your browser, the icon may appear slightly different, but it will usually be located near the right side of the address bar. Go ahead and click that icon. When you do, a confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen asking if you want to install the app. This is a normal prompt, and it's there to make sure you want to continue before the browser creates the desktop-style version of Reddit. Take a quick look at the pop-up to confirm that it's referring to Reddit, then click Install. As soon as you do that, the installation will happen automatically and Reddit will open in its own separate app window instead of as a standard web page in your browser. That's how you can tell the process worked successfully. At this point, Reddit is installed on your computer as an app and you can start using it right away. In many cases, the app will also become available from your desktop, taskbar, or applications list, depending on your operating system and browser settings. If you want easier access in the future, you can pin it wherever your computer allows. And that's it. As you can see, installing the Reddit app on a computer is very quick and straightforward. You simply open your Reddit home dashboard, click the install icon in the address bar, confirm the pop-up, and select install to launch Reddit as an app.